Hi all. Today's activity I have a paper electroscope. I have two paper strips hang to this hook of copper wire. So to the lid I made a hole and bent the copper wire in such a way that I can put these two paper strips, rectangular paper strips with a hole. So I made to hang to this copper wire, and this is the glass jar. So now we can close the lid. So let me show you what is actually the activity. So here just observe the paper strips, what happens to them. So I have a comb with me and a woolen sweater. I am rubbing it. And I am not touching the copper wire. See what happened. These two paper strips have split it apart. So once again I will show. Again they came together, you can see. They are together. Now just again observe. I didn't touch the copper wire. Still the paper strips moved apart. So the reason behind this is, when we are rubbing this comb with the woolen sweater, the negative charges an atom contains at the center protons and neutrons. Protons are positive charges, neutrons are neutral. They doesn't contain any charge. For example, we have a solar system. At the center there is sun. Surrounding we have planets. So imagine that in the place of sun, the atom contains nucleus. So atom is the smallest unit of the matter. Any matter we take, even the human cell. So atom is the smallest unit. So in that atom, we have at the center nucleus similar to the sun solar system. And as we have planets surrounding it, we have electrons surrounding the nucleus. So they are free electrons. Protons are not free. They are bound in the nucleus. So what happens to the electrons when we are rubbing one with the other, one object with the other? So there is transfer of electrons based on what type of substance it is. If the substance contains free electrons, easily those free electrons will transfer to the other one. So if the comb will get the negative charge and the woolen will get the positive charge after this, and these negative charges when I put after rubbing on the copper wire. So copper wire is a good conductor of electricity. So the wires which we use as conductors in our homes, which will take the electricity all over, carry the electrical energy, is nothing but the copper wire which is present in that, which has lot of free electrons in it. That is the reason we are using. So these free electrons will get transferred without any contact. They will get transferred to the copper wire and pass to the paper strip, and these paper strips, as they both are getting the same charge, they will repel. So by this we can say that charges cannot be destroyed nor created. They can be transferred from one object to the other, and like charges repel with each other and unlike charges attract each other. Okay, so these are some basics of the topic electricity. I hope you understood and enjoyed the activity. Thank you.